So give us a like if you like the video. Hit the thumbs up button. Alright, me and George are over here trying them out. We're gonna go through and make sure it's no problem. Ahora. What's going on, everybody? Mike G here, the founder of Chrome Vending, and me and Giorgio, we've been adding a few machines to our route. I've also been getting a lot of questions from people about where to get capsules for their capsule machines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a link in the description below so you can go there and click on that link if you're looking to get some capsules for your machines. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get right into it. Okay, so we got the address on here.
Yeah.
And everything.
Yeah, everything's in there.
No, don't turn it that way.
Huh?
Huh? Huh?
Va por $45.
Okay. And you got a lot more out here too. Okay.
Yo lo he vendido es.
Para mi negocio de vending, yo tengo máquinas grandes de soda,
Sí.
de lo que coja las muñecas,
Sí.
tengo
de
más
sodas, de
tattoos,
papitas.
Tenemos, se quiere comprar más, me dice yo saco del garaje, tengo los bowls.
Necesitamos eso, los bouncy balls.
Tengo aquí maybe 5 bags grandes así.
Okay.
Pero tengo que sacarlo de ahí, ¿no? Tengo de esta la plastic bag, mucho, todo menos.
Ok, sí, no, sácalo porque para que podamos mirarlo.
Pero hoy no, se sabía, venía hoy y lo sacaba, ya está, you know. Yo he garage sale la semana pasada. Alright, hombre, a trabajar. Oye, a trabajar.
Capsules and a whole bunch of stuff.
I got more of those. I dig them up. Okay.
Okay.
But I'm gonna leave it some for this. This is a good machine. Why you don't wanna buy this machine?
Which one? Ahora. Okay. Okay, we just got it home. Back to the workshop. And we're ready to go and place this one out. This one's already ready. Doesn't need any work or anything. We came up today and we got a bunch of bags of capsules. These are 250 count each, and we have 4 of those there. We got some rings in there and sticky fingers, and in here we have the 50-cent mechanism toy capsules, which how many is in that one? Is that 250 also? 250. I think it's 250 in all of them. And we got 2 boxes of those. So we're ready to keep this thing filled for a while, but this is kind of interesting. We've got 3 different types of mechanisms on here. We have 3 25-cent mechanisms, which are the first 2 rings, and then over here is a small bouncy ball. And then we have a 10-cent mechanism here, which these are the small gumballs, the little double bubble ones. So that's cool to have that. Anybody's got a dime, right? And then up top, we have the 50-cent mechanisms, the double entries here, which is cool. And my camera's blurring out a little. There we go. Okay, so 2 50-cent mechanisms on top, 3 25-cent mechanisms down at the bottom, plus a 10-cent mechanism. This is my first 10-cent mechanism. That's cool. All right, me and George are over here trying them out. We're gonna go through and make sure it's no problem dispensing. We're gonna go through a whole lot of them. See all what we have inside. We got a super good deal because when we bought the machine, everything that came inside, everything that's inside of it came inside of it. So this was a sweet deal. And the old man has a lot more stuff, so we'll be back to deal with him as well. He's getting out of the business. He's been in for a long time. We talked to him and learned a lot from him.
It's our Pat's house. Collect more merchandise. See what we got going on. Woo! Okay, I'm over here at Ocala Flea Market where I have the tattoo and bouncy ball machine. I just removed the bouncy ball machine and trying out the 6-way candy and toy machine. Still have our tattoo machine here. It is making a couple dollars, so I'm leaving that one here and find a new location for our bouncy ball machine. So in a couple months, let's see how this does. Something like this we check every 3 months.
Alright, I just walked into Zaxby's and I see a bunch of vending machines over here. Let's turn this around. They have a whole stand here full of gumball and capsule machines. And we have another one similar to the one we just got.
Chrome Vending, picking up another machine. I just found a good deal on a coin shooter basketball machine. About to go to Walmart to meet up with this lady. She was at the flea market when I found it. And I'm about to check it out. Got a good deal on it. And let's see how it goes from there. Okay, I made it to Walmart. But it's got some nice stuff in here. Stuff for the kids. Toys. Donuts. But this is where I'm actually meeting the lady at the Walmart to pick up our coin shooter basketball gumball machine. Alright, just stopped over at Walmart still and did a little shopping myself for one of our vending machines. Got 2 different types of Skittles. Now, with these 2 bags of Skittles, we're about to do a different thing. We're about to mix it up so people get some of the plain and some of the wild berry fruit. There's actually this one vending machine that there's a young lady that loves Skittles, so I'm gonna put each one in that machine. See how that turns out. There she is.
Yo soy de las personas que me gusta hacer las cosas. Aquí está, mire.
Nosotros tenemos un canal en YouTube que estamos haciendo videos de esto. Y si quieres, tú puedes decirle al compañero el nombre de tus negocios. Gracias.
Esa es la llave. Mire, hoy lo llena, mira cómo bonito se ve.
It's very nice, very nice. Got a great deal on this.
A ver cómo darle vuelta aquí para que saque esto. Saque esto, saque esto.
Ok, la menudo que hay de aquí.
Sí.
Está bien.
Atrás, por mí.
He is about to open the top. And it's a beaver. Nice looking beaver. Take it off. About to fill it up a little bit. Make sure you always use a glove when you put candy in the machine. About to use about 10 of them just to see if the mechanism works real well. Here it is. Drop them in. Just see how it works. I'm about to put a quarter in. Turn it, and there's the ball. We play basketball. Now I missed. And the ball comes out right here. There it is. Works like a charm. Perfect. Chrome Vending. over and out. Our first gumball basketball shooter, coin shooter.
This is actually the machine I came to look at. It's the first time I've actually seen it. George went and picked it up and placed it. George is over there by the other machine. Okay. We need another tray here. They're up in there. Just to see how it's going. We really weren't going to do a collection. We came to our other machine in here. All right, everybody. We hope you enjoyed the video. We really go through a lot to try to edit these videos and get footage and put it all together for you each week. So give us a like if you liked the video. Hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe so you can get future notifications every time we upload new videos about the vending business so that we can share our experience with you. Until then, I'll see you next time I make another video.